Here's how to turn on guided access on your iPhone. Now, the first thing we're going to do is head into the settings on your iPhone. We can turn on guided access by going to the accessibility option right under General, and then scrolling down until we find guided access on this list. Now, let's first just turn this on, and I'm going to walk through all of these various settings. You need to make sure to turn on the right things or not. Now, let's first just go to passcode settings. And you can see set guided access passcode. If we tap on that, this will allow you to set a passcode. This is especially good if you're setting up guided access for a toddler or a kid and you don't want them to get out of the app, and essentially it will have a passcode preventing them from getting out of guided access. So in my case, I'm just going to enter in a passcode 1111. Obviously, just choose something a bit more difficult than that. And then let's turn off Face ID just so that they need that guided access passcode to be able to turn this off. The next really important thing is accessibility shortcut. Turn this on, and essentially this allows you to turn guided access on whenever you're in another app. I'll show you an example when you're in YouTube. After you've done that, let's hit the back arrow once, and then let's go down to the bottom until we get to accessibility shortcut. Now, you'll usually see guided access will automatically be selected in this case. However, if you have anything else turned on, I would recommend turning it off so it doesn't get mixed up and it just makes things a bit more simple. So let's unselect everything on here except for guided access. After we've done that, we can hop out of here. And then we can just open up the YouTube app. Let's say I'm watching one of my videos and I wanted to turn on guided access in the YouTube app. What I'm going to do is triple click this side button. So 1, 2, 3, and you'll be able to see it says guided access started. Now keep in mind, after I've done that, I'll be able to tap everywhere on my screen and it won't allow me to do anything or change anything. Keep in mind, it might pop up with a little menu button to say basically, do you want to start guided access, etc. And to end guided access, you're going to triple click it again. So 1, 2, 3. And then it will ask me for that password. So I'm just going to enter it in now. And then just like that, I can hit either resume or I can hit the end button. And just like that, I can hop out of there and I'm no longer in guided access.